Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to introduce you this new wireless microphone which you can use it with any your iPhone or GoPro and any other action camera. The good thing is it is only $25. I just purchased it from Amazon for $25 after doing a lot of research. I'm not saying this is the best microphone, but I'm I'm telling you, like, who are amateur, like just started creating videos like me, they can, and they need a external microphone, they can easily get it, like they can easily purchase it. It's just $25 and it's really good. So I'll do some test and you can understand like how it is. Right now the audio is from this microphone, not my iPhone. This is just audio directly from this microphone. So let's do some test and you can then understand how it is. So let's start. So before we start doing all the testing, I just want to show you what comes inside the box. So let's open the box. So they are giving a small pouch, which is nice, this one, and let's see what's coming. And it's very small. How can I show you? It's very small pack, very small. And so this is one microphone, this is second microphone, this is the receiver, and this all the kits. Let me show you all the kits. This is for wind reduction, and this is clip, extra clip they are giving, like same clip, one extra. This is USB-C to USB. This is again same USB-C to USB. This is very important, TRS cable, TRS converter, and one more extra. And this is for iPhone, they're giving lightning cable to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C. So let me open this. This is two different cable. So this is the thing, and this is the charging port, USB-C, all USB-C charging port, and this will directly go. So this, as they mentioned, this works with both iPhone and any device. So I'm gonna first connect it with iPhone, and you can just remove this one and put this one. This is for wind reduction. So friends, first I'm gonna show you how you can connect to iPhone. So before that, just let me show you how to link. So I'm gonna use this one now because I have little wind here, so I'm gonna use this, and you just turn it on. So it's turn it on, and then by pressing this button it will turn on. So, and you can see both are linked, both are just linked. And to connect to iPhone, you just use this one. You can also have that converter, iPhone converter, like this one, and connect, but this is easy. So it's already connected. That's it. There is no settings change or anything you have to do. You just start, you can start recording right now. So let's start recording. So friends, I just show you how to connect to iPhone. Now I am gonna do the test. Like I will go for, like this mentioned, it can cover wirelessly 65 feet. So right now I can show you my iPhone is here, and you can see it is the Wi-Fi thing is connected, that receiver. And now I am going too far, so you can like understand the test is like is the audio is getting transmitted to that far or not. So that's the test right now. So my I am doing this test in my lawn. Is like almost 40-50 feet. So you can see, I'm not sure if you can see correctly nicely. My iPhone is that far, and the audio is recording on this on the iPhone. It is not from the GoPro, and my iPhone is there where you can see the lights, sunlight. There is my iPhone. So, and the audio is from like on this device, like using the microphone. So this is the our test number one, like the distance test.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
So the distance test looks like it is good. You can tell me like with your comments like how the audio is. So now my next test is connecting to the GoPro. So GoPro, connecting to the GoPro, still I am connected to this, my iPhone is connected to this wireless microphone. I am going to disconnect it and you will see the difference, like how iPhone audio recording and is the micro with microphone. So now I am disconnecting it. So I just disconnected. Now the audio is directly from the my iPhone, and let me take it off. So to connect to the to connect to the GoPro, you don't need any cable. This cable won't work. But you must need any this media mod or the other accessories that GoPro has, like battery charger with a microphone, external microphone. So you can directly just put it in. Let me put it in. It's done. And I just turned on. You can see the microphone is connected. That's why this audio bar is moving. I'm not recording right now. It is still the audio is from iPhone. So let's do the same test with GoPro. Now I'm gonna use the GoPro to do the recording. Now it is from GoPro, like the audio is from GoPro, not GoPro, actually the microphone is connected to GoPro, and you can see I am using this one and I'm recording this. So we do the testing for long distance, and we are testing it for GoPro. It's working. Let me know how do you like this, the audio quality. Again, it is only $25 microphone, wireless microphone. And one good thing is I did already one video using this, using both the microphones. That another test that I already did, like two person was taking in I was taking interview of another person, and we both are using both the microphones. They are giving two microphones and we used it and it worked fine for me. So you can check, I am putting the link on the top. You can see the link of that video. That video was totally made using this wireless microphone, but with iPhone, but the audio was from this wireless microphone. So this is how it is with the GoPro. And another information, it doesn't work with Akaso. I tried it. Akaso only works with Akaso brand, Akaso external microphone. There is nothing else can work with that. And for GoPro, you must need media mod or that GoPro accessories for external microphone. That any of this you must need. It doesn't directly work with GoPro. And one more thing, the battery life. So far I used it for a long time and I didn't see, long time means like I used it for almost an hour recording, and it worked fine. Both the wireless microphones and the receiver. Also the receiver, it cannot charge while it is working, so you need to charge it in advance. And I think for one day blogging, that charge is enough. So friends, that's all about this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box.